Yo, what's good everyone? I am feeling a little under the weather, but I hope this video turns out good. It is our first video in the new apartment. As you guys can see, it's a little bit different of a vibe, which I'm super excited about, to be honest with you. Nice walls, nice couch, a lot more content to be spent in this new apartment. But this video is not about the new apartment, it's about Culture Kings. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. If you guys don't know about Culture Kings, it is a great one-stop shop for every streetwear need that you need possible, whether it's pants, shoes, hats, shirts, graphics, they have it all. So shout out to Culture Kings. If you do see anything on their website, make sure to go ahead and use my code BrandFlakes, which will save you a little extra money on your Culture Kings order. Let's go ahead. So, quick little backstory about this package. It actually got stolen, and I found it because one of the neighbor's kids was trying to hide it from their mom. I'm so sorry to the kid. He didn't come up on your boy's package, but here we are today with the Culture Kings package, thank God. But the first pickup in this haul is going to be this beautiful strawberry digi camo. I believe it's like 10 headshots on Modern Warfare 2 just to get this nice little camo. You can see it on the front, says strawberry, nice low profile hat. I think this is a vibe, you know, something for the summertime, something different. I do like this specific camo. It'd be cool to have this in like a pant version. But yeah, shout out Strawberry, man. We do have a ton of strawberry items in this Culture Kings package, which I'm pretty stoked about. Keeping in the rotation, we have more hats. This is the nice Neapolitan New Era collab with Culture Kings. So kind of like Neapolitan from White Chicks, you know, when that guy's like vanilla Neapolitan. Yeah, this is the hat right here. You do have a nice brown on top. It had the LA Dodgers with the patch on the side. It is a snapback and not a fitted, which I kind of like. And then you do have the beautiful pink underbrim right there. There you guys have it. Ooh, this kind of fits me good. You know, if I'm on a run, shout out to the LA Dodgers. I also did go ahead and get it in a nice New York Yankees. So you do have the patch on the side, beautiful pink underbrim. These hats do fit me very nicely. I'm actually shocked I didn't go ahead and try them on, but these hats are amazing. Nice little curve on the front. If you guys are looking for a wide selection of hats, check out Culture Kings because they have a ton of different hats on there, whether it's fitted, snapback, corduroy, with a little rope, whatever it is, they have you guys covered. They even have strawberry. But yeah, shout out to the Neapolitan collab or the Neapolitan drop with these snapbacks right here. And that Culture Kings carries is actually minimal. So I did go ahead and cop 2 pairs of minimal pants. I wore these recently on Instagram and a couple of you guys asked where I got them from. These are from Culture Kings. You guys can use my discount code, which will be BrandFlakes, on the Culture Kings website. I did go true to size. These fit very, very baggy. So please keep that in mind. They do have a wide bottom, but I love how the camo looks. I love how these fit. And these are some minimal, extra baggy cargos that I wore with a nice green jersey. And yeah, dude, these are awesome. I can't wait to go ahead and keep rocking these for the summertime. And then another pair of pants. These are a little different from my regular rotation of pants. These are some flare Western bedazzled pants. As you guys can see, it does have that beautiful lining on the side of the pant with the blue. I do love these a lot. I do feel like they're a little bit too skinny. I wish they were a little baggier, but I do like them a lot. I wore these with a nice gray wash t-shirt and a pair of Converse, kind of just letting the pants do the talking with the nice bedazzles on the side. These are a size 32 if you guys are interested. Minimal tag right there. Hopefully I don't get these white pants dirty, but I really do love the detail on these. So yeah, we styled both of those. Jersey with the camo pants, Western pants, just a regular wash t-shirt with some Converse. Beautiful styling with these. More strawberry on the way, y'all. So we have 2 t-shirts from Strawberry. I have this beautiful like angel shirt. It says "How long is forever." I just dropped it. But it does say "How long is forever." This one's a size large on me, in that nice white cream look. As you guys can see, beautiful graphic on the front side. I do want to go ahead and kind of stay away from extra larges just because I kind of wanted a more fitted look, but we shall see how this one looks on me. I definitely wear this with a nice pair of maybe green cargos or a pair of black pants. You see it in the B-roll clips, but I do think this is an awesome shirt to have for the summertime. I love how Strawberry does have like the angels and the gods and the St. Mary tees. And then I did go ahead, I don't know why I did this, but I went ahead and got a long sleeve. It's super hot in Vegas, but in the long sleeve, I ended up going with a size extra large. So on the front, it does say Virgin Milagorsa. Sorry, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it does have the Virgin Mary right there. Nothing on the back. Nice thick collar on the neck. You guys can see the strawberry tag, size XL. And then on the side, it does have a nice little strawberry hit as well. Definitely would wear these with some pants as well, or even some shorts on the colder summer nights. But yeah, love strawberry. As you guys know, something that I've been rocking a lot on the channel. So it's super cool to go ahead and pick it up for a discounted price using my discount code. So if you see it, you guys know me, it is Asics summer. Last summer was Asics summer. It's still in fashion. It's still in trend. A lot of people are still rocking Asics, and recently Culture Kings did go ahead and restock on some Asics. So I went ahead and picked up this beautiful Asic Gel Kayano 14. I even forgot the model, but these are sick. They have that nice little like eggplant colorway. You kind of see the nice little gradient fade silver. Kind of remind me of the Jown pair, to be honest with you, but these are sick. I love how the cream on the meshes kind of pops a little bit. But yeah, Gel Kayano 14, still a shoe that's still in style, especially for the summertime. I can't wait to go ahead and rock these when I'm on my cozy vibes. Shout out to Culture Kings for carrying Asics and having that option available. If you're interested in these, I did go with a true size 9.5, and they fit me amazing. I heard you guys can also go up a size if you guys are into that type of fit, but size 9.5 Gel Kayano is my vibe, and I do love these with the white tube socks. Definitely would wear these with a nice pair of baggy shorts, white tube socks, and just a nice plain t-shirt on top. Let me know down below in the comment box, are we still rocking Asics? Clearly I am, because I just picked these up. These are sick. I can't wait to rock these in the rotation a ton, and we'll see how I lace them. I don't know if I want to do the whole loop-de-loop or the loosey-goosey, but we will see. All right, y'all, last but not least, they do have a ton of different brands on Culture Kings website. I would most definitely just peep it, see what you can use with my discount code. But another brand that they just released is called Saint Mora. Kind of gives that whole saint vibe. You guys can see it with the beautiful stars and the angel wings. Very similar to what Strawberry had dropped as well. This one is a size large on me if you guys are looking for some dope graphics to have in the rotation. But like I said, Culture Kings does provide a ton of different brands. Even from the ones I just showed you, I would definitely recommend just viewing it. But that does wrap it up for the Culture Kings haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the styling portion. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the pickups. Definitely would recommend using Culture Kings as a source if you guys are looking for some streetwear pickups or clothing, shoes, hats. They got it all. Shout out to Culture Kings for sponsoring this video once again. If you guys did enjoy it, smash the like button for me. Subscribe if you guys are new here. The vibes are a little off today because your boy is feeling a little under the weather. This move is definitely kicking my butt, but I definitely hope you guys enjoyed the video. Use that discount code. Catch you guys in the next one. Instagram, everything you need will be down below in the description box. Peace. So to end off the video with a little story time, Culture Kings does, you know, brand their boxes here. So my neighbor, the FedEx people accidentally in my old apartment dropped it off to my neighbor's yard. They have a kid, and the kid was hiding it from his mom. And I knocked on the door and I said, hey, I have this package here. Here's the photo, but I can't find it. Do you happen to have it in your apartment? I don't want to point fingers at the kid, but the mom knew what was up, and she literally was like, give me one moment. And she literally yelled at her kid and said, go find the package. Give this guy his package back. Luckily, we were able to retrieve it. And shout out to, I don't want to, I mean, he's not going to watch this video, but Jaden, I appreciate you giving me my package back, bro. But if you guys watched to the end of the video, make sure to go ahead and comment down below the wave emoji, just so I know you guys watched the whole way through. I appreciate you guys so much for all the love and support. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the Culture Kings pickups, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.